Now we're adding a comment to explain what we're about to do, and this comment's important because we're transitioning from checking visibility to performing complex mathematical calculations, and this helps document the purpose of code sections. But then we get to this sophisticated line. Possible forms equals self.dimensional underscore forms, open bracket, form underscore type, close bracket, and then immediately open bracket again, the double quote cross underscore section underscore types double quote, closing that out and closing bracket for that part. Now here we're demonstrating dictionary chaining. We're using multiple bracket operations in sequence to access deeply nested data. We've done this a little bit without really talking about it too much earlier, but let's talk about what's happening here. First, self.dimensional forms, and then we have in brackets form underscore type, which gets the complete dictionary for our specific 4D form. If the form type is tesseract, this retrieves all that tesseract data, the vertices, the edges, the description, the mathematician, and the cross-section types. Next, we've got in brackets, immediately after that, cross-section types. So it's going one level deeper into that form dictionary and extracting specifically the list of the possible 3D shapes. You're showing, get me all these properties, and then we know that cross-section types is a nested list inside of that dictionary. So we're saying now go into that nested list, go into that level, and extract that list specific to the one that we're on. So this chaining process goes dimensional forms to specific form dictionary to cross-sectional types list. The result is that possible forms contains a list like cube, rectangular prism, rhombus, and point, all the different 3D shapes that a tesseract can appear as when it intersects our 3D space. This is efficient hierarchical data access. We're navigating through our nested data structure in one elegant expression, getting exactly the information we need for the mathematical calculations that follow. Dictionary chaining lets you traverse complex data structures quickly and readably.